Indian biotechnology innovators are painting a bold new picture of well-being on the country's social canvas. Ensuring that these scientific visionaries achieve the greatest success in their enterprise is now a primary mission of the Department of Biotechnology's flagship programs. For once their bold ideas fructify into affordable commercial products, they will usher in an era of improved food security, quality medical care, energy independence, and environmental sustainability. Their success will also enable Indian biotechnology products to enter global markets and secure the country's future in the emerging bioeconomy. India's biotechnology development strategy today calls for public support to innovations by industrial entrepreneurs with an eye on social welfare as well as global competitiveness. Especially since 2005, when India recognized global product patents by signing the TRIPS agreement, the government and industry have intensified efforts to build a competitive ecosystem for generating world-class intellectual properties. The DBT now allocates up to 30% of its budget to public-private partnerships, so that industry has the support to create novel products serving unmet needs, particularly in the developing world. Since 2005, the DBT has evaluated over 1,000 proposals and provided financial and mentoring help to nearly 100 research teams from small and medium enterprises. All have taken a commercial risk to pursue innovations that may benefit society in future.
It has amazed me what a large pool of outstanding people we have, and these schemes are actually triggering their latent potential and energy into big-time product innovation. And I can see at least 50 or 60 large projects going on in the country now, which are addressing really major social challenges for affordable technology, to the extent that Wellcome Trust, NIH, Gates Foundation, they are all coming and approaching us to partner with them in not only designing affordable technology for India, but for the entire developing world.
The DBT's Chief Innovation Support Programs are designed as partnership platforms with the country's emerging entrepreneurs and comprise the main schemes of BIRAP, an umbrella for specialized programs, SIBRI and translational clusters. Together they cater to the full range of needs, leading to the commercialization of the research idea.
What BIRAP offers today is, in addition, as I said, to the funding, also the services which are required for the innovation sector across the complete product development chain. Right from the legal, the contracts, the IP mapping, the mentoring. The mentorship is a very important component for the small and medium enterprises.
Technical mentoring by senior academics and advice from experts in business, finance, law and other disciplines are inbuilt into the DBT's programs to ensure that a country-wide network supports the productization of deserving ideas. En route to product commercialization, entrepreneurs need help at various development stages of their venture. The funding schemes, BIPP and SIBRI, therefore provide grants, loans and other assistance for particular stages, ranging from idea ignition to proof of concept, to technology and application development, through to commercial scale-up. The DBT organizes the numerous innovative projects it supports into 5 priority areas of national development and ensures that there are potential successes in each sector. In healthcare, a major national priority, an example of innovational daring aided by the DBT is Navya Biologicals. Located on a college campus in Hubli, Navya is the maiden entrepreneurial venture of its founders. Their goal is to create a new production platform, providing superior and affordable biotherapeutics to the public, starting with commonly used blood products. Navya received a SIBRI grant to establish proof of concept of its idea soon after its founding. With this milestone completed successfully, it now looks towards product development and applications, such as surgeries and emergency transfusions.
There are no VCs or bankers today in India who can come forward and fund these innovative projects. SIBRI fills in that gap by bringing in the proof of concept as a grant. For example, as in case of Navya, for a proof of concept project which was worth 86 lakhs, SIBRI brought in 48 lakhs and Navya brought in the rest. This sort of de-risks the projects for a company like Navya right in the beginning.
Indian prowess in engineering has made devices and diagnostics another hotspot for biotechnology innovations and an area of growing DBT support. Young innovators in the clinical applications area today can look forward to fellowships under the Stanford India Biodesign Program, which facilitates a 2-year internship utilizing resources at Stanford University, the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, and the IIT Delhi. The SIB Fellows are indigenizing an overwhelmingly import-dominated Indian market for implants and devices, which is part of a $250 billion international market. Already, SIB innovations are receiving attention. An example is the world's first product for managing fecal incontinence that could enhance hospital care in a groundbreaking global market worth $3 billion. Over 25 emerging businesses in agri-biotechnology received the DBT's help in pursuing projects to improve the country's food security, crop productivity, food processing services, and other vital areas. Projects at Meta Helix Life Sciences in Bangalore exemplify the symbiosis of the industrial initiative and public support structure. Meta Helix has 2 programs in transgenic rice and maize, currently operating with nearly 3 crore rupees of BIPP funding. The insect protection traits Meta Helix's innovations will confer on staple crops will reduce damage from yellow stem borer, leaf cutworm, and other pests. They will also eliminate toxic pesticides from the environment and their high costs to farmers. In 7 to 8 years, Meta Helix will bring the improved seeds to market, and the project's long gestation will be easier to bear with government support. The dangers of climate change in an agricultural economy and the necessity to maintain the environment with innovations are receiving the attention of Indian biopreneurs and the DBT. One of the most promising clean energy solutions is the conversion of agri-waste, which forms 85% of agri-produce, into biological hydrogen. Nagarjuna Fertilizers and Chemicals in Hyderabad, with its multi-patented version of this process, is conducting commercial scale-up tests with BIPP funding worth 10 crore rupees.
Global agriculture has 2 major problems. One, it's got a huge carbon footprint because of excess use of hydrocarbon. Agriculture, 60 to 80% inputs comes from hydrocarbon. And because of that heavy use of hydrocarbon, in addition to carbon footprint, you also have profitability has made a dent over the years.
Nagarjuna's bold idea is to transform the world's most hydrocarbon-dependent industry, agriculture, by shifting it from a polluting energy source to a non-polluting one, where carbohydrates yield biological hydrogen. This will clean the environment and also enhance farmers' incomes. Nagarjuna's multi-patented solution takes 1/6 the time and uses 1/5 of the expensive enzymes required as compared to the global benchmark. The company is now gearing up to take its clean technology to world markets. entrepreneurial visions of an inclusive and biotechnology-enabled Indian society are receiving the DBT support in the infrastructure sector for projects benefiting the entire country. In the translational cluster at Bangalore, the Centre for Cellular and Molecular Platforms, or CCAMP, is a new hub for developing technologies that raise industry capabilities nationwide. Funded by the DBT and nurtured by the National Centre for Biological Sciences, CCAMP provides technology training in areas like confocal microscopy, flow cytometry, mass spectrometry, etc., as well as technology development programs utilizing experts at the NCBS, the Institute for Stem Cell and Regenerative Medicine, and the University for Agricultural Sciences. CCAMP, in its first year of operation, has provided state-of-the-art training, augmenting innovational capabilities in 40 private and public institutions across India.
A major success has been to be able to present our innovators and entrepreneurs and the strength of our companies and our public sector research institutions to the rest of the world and earn their respect for India as a leader of affordable innovation. This is both humane, socially relevant, nurtures our innovation processes, gives us tremendous experience, and the successes that we hope to see in the next couple of years will simply charge and bring dynamism to the innovation ecosystem of this country.
The years to come will see the genius of many more bold Indians blossom through the DBT's innovation support programs. In the pursuit of social good, come success or failure, these entrepreneurs will leave a touch of glorious color on the country's biotechnology campus. India, indeed the world, awaits their success as biotechnology becomes an inseparable part of our lives in the new millennium.